Xiaomi 13 series is set to debut on December 1. The company has confirmed to launch two flagship smartphones at least, which are the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro. Ahead of the launch, Xiaomi has confirmed some camera details for the upcoming flagship smartphones. One of the recent teasers confirms that the Xiaomi 13 Pro will feature a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor, which is also found in the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. The Xiaomi 13 Pro, the flagship smartphone from the Chinese brand, is confirmed to feature the 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor. This is a 1-inch sensor from Sony, and Xiaomi states that it has deeply customized this sensor in collaboration with Leica. The phones will have Leica optical lenses that are set to deliver improved image quality. The same sensor is also being used on the recently launched Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Another teaser from Xiaomi states that the upcoming phones will also get a Leica 75mm telephoto lens with 2.0 super large aperture, which is claimed to be the best in the Mi series of phones. Xiaomi revealed how the new floating telephoto lens would work in a 20-second video. It is moving the elements closer to achieve infinite focus and take pictures of far objects. When it needs to take close-ups, the elements are moving away. We also got some punchy camera samples, but since they were posted on social media, they have been heavily compressed. Xiaomi had also recently confirmed that the phone will sport a curved display. The phones are also said to get high-end OLED displays with 1.61mm narrow chin. A recent leak had suggested that the Xiaomi 13 will get a flat front display along with flat sides. Further, both the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro have been confirmed to feature the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Xiaomi 13 series is bringing LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage for extra snappy performance. Apart from the Xiaomi 13 series, the Chinese smartphone maker is also expected to unveil the Watch S2 and Buds 4 at the upcoming launch event scheduled for December 1 in China. The company will also announce the MIUI 14 update based on Android 13 at the event. The Xiaomi 13 series is expected to ship with MIUI 14. What do you think about the upcoming Xiaomi 13 series? Give your opinion in the comment section below. If you want to see videos like this, subscribe to Mobile Versus. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.